Hi, Michael Gaffney. Today we're going to learn how to do a hand-tied bouquet. It's simple. I'm starting with kale. We all love kale. I'm going to throw in a lily, cross to the left, turn to the right, throw in some grevillea. It works with any nice mass flower, which means flowers that are a ball on the end of the stick. I'm creating these flowers for you. I hope you're having a good morning. If no one's brought you flowers in a while, well, we're taking care of that today. These are for you. They're Asiatic lilies. I'm adding some kale and just cross to the left. Can you see what I'm doing? Cross to the left, turn to the right. Add some more kale. Everybody loves kale this time of year. There's your close-up. Cross to the left, turn to the right. I'm going to add some more grevillea. I'm going to add some of my wheat, dark wheat, to this design as I'm going along. Mix and match. I can do it correctly with my eyes closed. See? It works every time. All I do is make sure it's pretty flat. There it is so far. Now I'm going to cheat and look for any holes where I need to put some more stuff. Like right over here. Pull that up. And now, a little more, maybe another kale. Why not? A little more grevillea right there. Right there. This one I call tweaking. And on this side, right there. Over here. Now comes the fun part. There's your bouquet. Add your bark carbon wire. Twist this really hard. Bring your two pieces together. Pinch it. Spin your bouquet. Tight. Tight. I get a tight grip. Like that. You're going to cut it straight across. Squeeze these together. You're going to clean all this off. I'll do that later. You want nice clean stems. I'll clean a little of it now. Nice clean stems. Chop it straight across. Cut it straight across. Like that. Then you're going to clear the runway. This is how you get it to stand on its own two stems. That's where it's so far. You're going to drop it and tap it. Now look what happened. It's opening up. The more I tap it, the more it's open. There you go. Wait till those lilies open up. It'll be a giant ball of lilies. Yes, you're going to clean all that off. We'll do that later. Flowerschool101.com. Good morning. These flowers are for you.